What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the draft order for Group Break 104. So we're gonna go live at 8:33. It's 8:33 here in North Dartmouth. I'm gonna go grab the list, and guys, we are going 3 times, as I stated in the description. So we got Grant on top and Mr. Mark DeGuire on the bottom. Grant on top, DeGuire on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1. Mark on top after 1. 2. Grant on top after 2. Gonna copy. That timestamp is in at 8:33. It's 8:33. And guys, third and final time. Good luck to everybody. There's a hell of a break. Grant on top. Marty, Benjamin, Patrick, Kyle, Mark, Grant, Benjamin, Grant, Rob. And there's your draft order, guys. Oops. Forgot to take that out. Whatever. 8:34. It's 8:34. And just so you guys know, I'm not doing anything fishy. I'm just going to edit that and take it out. There we go. 8:34. 8:34. Guys, there you have it.